be gangster, tryna play hard. Ding dong, they just think they are. Never little wanna be gangster, tryna play hard.
What's up, guys? We have made it to the place where we're gonna get one more upgrade to the Lambo before we head to New Mexico, and it is Sadistic Metalworks out here in California. Let's go in there, say what's up to the guys, and let's see if they're gonna be able to install it, or should we just take the wing and get Vargas to install it over there, because we're on a time schedule, guys. What's up, man? How's it going? Holy moly, look at it! It's right here, with.
Oh damn, is this one?
Yeah. That big ass wing.
Dang.
Guys, so this is the wing that we're gonna be installing on the Lambo, and check it out. Custom made, chassis mounted, everything. We got all the hardware. I guess we're gonna probably put it in here and they're gonna get on it, guys. But look at the size of this wing.
That's badass wing.
That thing is huge, huh?
That thing's fucking huge.
Hell yeah. Guys, I think the wing's gonna look really, really good on the Lambo. Now, whenever you see it on pictures, it does look huge, but look at this, it's small.
Yeah, it is small.
For being a chassis mounted wing, it's actually pretty small.
And it looks
like you would think it would be like way up here, but
yeah.
now it's like really small. So,
pero aún así, it does go above the car, no?
It goes to like the roof of the car. You'll see right now. Damn it, boy. Hey man, how's it going? What's good, dude? Jump down or what? Yeah.
How was your trip? Good?
It's good. We're on the way to New Mexico now, though, after you get done. We have a truck show over there. They got it fixed pretty quick. That was a good thing about shipping. Brought it in there. They took it out the same day we brought it in there. Second day was back in, and we're good. So.
Run better?
Oh, yeah. He turned up the boost a little bit, so instead of 1400, we're now at 1500 horsepower. So it's going to be good.
Oh, catch me ballin' like I'm Mike J. Need 100 grand, I told them more, I walk away. 100 with me and they shooters like they in the paint. Do it for my city, feeling like I'm Mike J. Oh, catch me ballin' like I'm Mike J. 100,000, no, I told them get up out my face. Oh, I'ma get it.
Este güey.
¿Oye la canción?
Miró
Ketchup
mucho
jamming, güey. Tengo el gacho de Red Bull.
Iba pasando los pinches de esto del tráfico como nada.
Puro Dr. Dre. ¿Cómo le haces, Ketchup? I hope it's dumping since it was in Texas. Park it, I'll show you the wing. That Cali build, guys. Beautiful, beautiful truck.
Mira, güey.
And it drives good. Yesterday we drove it an hour. Today we drove it an hour. Drives bien mamalón. And look at the look. That look, güey. ¿Es esto? ¿Mira?
Damn, that thing is light.
Está bien grandota, Ketchup. La mano que it's big as fuck, huh? It's big and it's wide. It's perfect for like eating purposes. So we're gonna go to a restaurant and just.
No mames. Como la wing de Miata.
Instead of opening the tailgate on the truck, we're going eat on the wing of the Lambo.
An expensive dinner?
Hey, this looks nice too.
Yeah. Those brackets, güey.
I was telling him on pictures and shit, it looks huge, way. You look at it, it's chiquita.
Pictures, I thought it was gonna be like
Yeah, that's what it looks like. So now it's pretty. And it's gonna look real nice.
Está la X, güey.
I'm even thinking about driving it to New Mexico.
Drive it. Road trip in the Lambo.
Yeah. And I'll drive the truck.
Get to drive the truck. No mames, mira bien pinche white body.
White body luego con la wing.
A ver, güey, pon la wing.
No mames. It's gonna look sick, huh?
Hell yeah.
It has the shape of the Lambo, like it's cut in the air, especially if you tilt it down and see. Man, that shit's gonna look crazy.
That's better.
I'm so happy, guys, right now. Last time we came, we ordered the wing. Now we came back, and they're gonna install it. So it's gonna be the wing, It's gonna be those struts going up, and then this is gonna be an X that's gonna reinforce it. Really, really nice. Oh, and these go on the edges, wait. These right here, and they go.
Oh, those are the edges?
Yeah, they go. This one goes on that. Boy, I don't think.
Oh, damn, it goes down.
Like this, I think. Like this or like this? I don't know.
It looks better like that.
Down, I see.
Down. I think.
I don't know. They know how it goes. Everything nicely powder coated. We're gonna have a good day, guys. It's gonna go to New Mexico with its new look.
You saw the big ass.
We just gotta be careful with people walking, cause they gonna get caught. Ah! Freddy's wing.
Rip a shirt. You saw the big ass thing? The sheet? To cut that thing through? The thing is freaking huge.
Yeah, so let's wait for these guys to hop on it, and maybe I'm gonna have to readjust it so it could be more centered because it's kind of crooked. Let's get it.
Starter Chris Bassett, who this year
gonna be in the way?
6 starts of at least 6 scoreless innings. That ties him for the Major League lead with Nathan Eovaldi and Michael Wacha of the Padres.
I was gonna get a center exhaust, but I was waiting on the wing so we could run it through it. But what do you think we could do? Could we just take this off?
And
It's right at
Alright guys, so the exhaust that we currently have on there is gonna be in the way of the wing. So we're gonna chop it up and we're gonna do center exhaust. Stay tuned, watch. It's gonna shoot bigger flames by the end of tonight. Watch.
I came in, I'm trying to undo it, and still they all say they don't know if the shoe fit. I gotta see through it, man, won't be deluded with all these illusions. I know it's disputed, I gotta keep growing. They see what my root is. I tell you I run this, I'm done with excuses. Give me for a minute, trying to get what I've been giving out. Do it for the tickets, I don't listen to the critics. I'ma push them to the limit, and these rappers getting timid. I've been balling like a pivot. I don't step into the scrimmage, I just play 'em when I'm in it, trying to run it till the ribbon. And they know that I've been tripping when I make them see the vision. Man, I put them in the prison with these bars that I've been spitting, and this life that I've been living. I'ma go, I'm on a mission.
Take 2 for the drop, jaw plotting on the bar. See me putting in the work, whole milk, I don't do the soy. Always been about my king, never about the money. Now you know I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind.
It changed the car a lot. Hell yeah. Damn, I'm super happy with this wing, way.
This is crazy.
It looks perfect. The size is perfect for this car, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, with the whenever we get it wrapped and have the logos on there and everything, it's gonna be, man, this car is crazy looking. Danny, whenever Danny sees it, he's gonna be like, damn.
I'm in my element, it's evident that there's levels to the game. All of those dark nights I got them, breaking my back to make it out, got me feeling like rain. I ain't never need your help, I know you wishing me well, a penny for your thoughts, but seeing no change. I snap for the sun like Diddy, the richest got a mad ass son, I'm like Billy. I ain't never switch up, whole team with me, putting on for my city like OAGZ. Set the pace as long as you finish, consumers find a way inside your business.
That one looks clean, huh? Even the exhaust way.
Damn, el exhaust se mira bien compadre.
And it was just, I told them, just slap it back on there. I just wanted, just so we could go to show and, but they made it look really cool.
Bien pintadito y todo.
Bien pintadito y todo. They sanded it down completely, all the way to bare metal, and they sprayed it. Quedó con madre. ¿Y lo van a acabar entonces? Well, at every gas station I stop.
Sound.
I wonder how big the flames are gonna be.
Ahorita lo vas a sacar de este lado. Your shape. So you can see the...
I'll do it in here. Me deja. Man. Damn, this thing looks like a race car, wey. Imagine when I get the fenders with the louvers and everything.
Le faltaba eso un chingo. It needed that.
I'm happy. I'm super happy.
That looks badass, güey.
Este güey dice it looks like a race car with 1400 horsepower.
I know.
That's the wing is what made it a race car.
Yeah.
It's carbon fiber.
Less?
Yeah. Because even at that little pull, you would have heard that of the turbo.
¿Tú crees? it does sound louder, como que it pops louder.
Yeah, because now it's actually like right there. That's fucking badass. They need it.
Damn.
Damn, no. You can't even catch traction on that.
Pinche putazón que avienta.
Damn, this thing looks amazing.
That thing is loud as fuck now.
I know.
I was telling them that you can hear more of the exhaust now
Yeah.
versus the turbos.
Yeah, I think because since we got the center exit, there's a lot more air flowing through the turbos, and it gets out quicker that the turbos are probably spinning faster. I don't know. But guys, big shout out to Sadistic Metalworks. They made my car look a whole lot different than what it was. It didn't really look really clean, but with the wing, completely amazing. And as you guys seen the way I launched it, that thing ain't going nowhere. It's got all kinds of mounts. It's mounted really, really good on there, so it's not gonna come off. But guys, highly recommended. The product on these wings are really, really good, and it just changes the look of your car. Like maybe it's not somebody's that, I mean, I like it, you know. Some people may not like it because it's not their style, but this is my style. I like this style. Even the exhaust, guys, we gave them the stock exhaust, and I told them, man, just slap it back on, just cut it and whatever. But they went ahead and did a badass exhaust. They took the pipes that we took off and they redid it and took it out. Perfect. Yeah. He cut it, he welded it, and he put it back together, and it looks really, really good. Now I was gonna put up to the show with my exhaust all chopped up, but man, they made it look really, really nice. So it looks like we asked for the exhaust like this. But now the test is, let's see how the flames get out a little bit bigger.
Now let's go over there by the shadow.
Let's go in the shadows.
Se ven más grandes. Not like I think at night is where you're gonna be able to see them.
I want to see it. Exactly what I wanted. That's exactly what it is. Man, this place about this big. Oh my god, the reels catch up. Oh my god.
At night.
Now that's right now, the car's cold. Hopefully it doesn't fuck up. But guys, the car's cold, and I just did a little test hit just here and there. But imagine once the exhaust is hot, the engine is hot, imagine the size of those flames. Man, I'm so happy with my car right now, guys. Like I said, this has always been my dream car. Now I have it, and I'm gonna build it exactly the way I want it. We are gonna do more upgrades to it. A ramp and some maneuvers and so something crazy, guys. So stay tuned. But man, super happy. Big shout out to Sadistic Metalworks. They did a badass job with the wing, and check out the quality here. Look at this. Look at this here. Look at this. Carbon fiber, aluminum, the X, and they went ahead and fixed my exhaust. We're gonna put up to Mexico Truck Fest this Saturday, guys, and you guys are gonna get to see it live at the show. Try to get it loaded up, guys, and we got 10-hour drive, 12-hour drive.
Yeah.
Damn, this bitch is crazy. Manejalo para allá, Ketchup, you know how to drive it, no? You know? Damn, parece un pinche carrillo de audio, güey. Hell yeah. You know what? Man, that thing looks crazy. Damn, happy.
Now when you drive down the freeway,
Oh yeah, at night it's gonna look sick. Yeah. So guys, this is Sadistic Metalworks. Currently they're working on this badass Bronco, and we might bring them the truck over here so they can build it for us. You never know. That's gonna be in the future, so stay tuned for that. But hey, you wanna give your top a shout out? No? Okay, you don't wanna give it a shout out? So Instagram, Sadistic Metalworks?
Sadistic Ironworks.
Sadistic Ironworks on Instagram. Go check him out. Give him a follow. Tell him you came from Freddy L6 YouTube channel.
They see the win streak, damn that shit is long-winded. I don't see you at the top, you cannot visit. Or the Dave's hot chicken at a crib with some goth bitches. Get me on any beat, you know I'm going off with it. And when my time comes, and that shit'll come, know I'm ready. Always hit what I aim for, bitch, I hold it steady. I feel for anybody tryna step in the way of this. I handle shit by any means, you know that's just the way it is. And when my time comes, and that shit'll come, know I'm ready. Always hit what I aim for, bitch, I hold it steady. I feel for anybody tryna step in the way of this. I handle shit by any means, you know that's just the way it is. And when my time comes and that shit'll come, know I'm ready. Always hit what I aim for, bitch, I hold it steady. I feel for anybody tryna step in the way of this. I handle shit by any means, you know that's just the way it is.
No, lo mismo a la torre del gato que no es para allá y para acá. No me lo imagino cuando ven el camino.
Ahorita van a salir aquí con la moto de acá.
Ahí le calamos a Oscar.
Saca la flama grande, güey.
Y digo que escucha más recio, güey. Escuchaba bien el pasito.
Ya, hear the turbo no more.
No escuchaba así antes. Ahora sí se escucha mamalón. Ahora sí ya tenemos mesa para los shows. Para los tacos.
¡Qué padre!
Ya se levanta de volada, güey. Se tardaba un tiempo y...
Pero todo bien.
Todo bien, mamalón. El exhaust lo lijaron hasta el bare metal. Todo bare metal. Luego ya lo pintaron. Soldó el vato, chico, todo el jale.
Ahí mismo,
Ahí mismo, ahí mismo.
No, se aventaron un buen jale, guys. La neta, yo pensé que lo había hecho Chippy, pero lo hizo el mismo vato de la Wii. Y no sabía que haga esos jales ahí.
Sí, y no se mira que como que, porque ese mismo exhaust, yo le dije, no, pero nomás córtalo y ponle un tubo para acá y nomás para llegar al show. Le dije, como quiera, cuando regresemos se lo voy a quitar, y el vato dijo, ok, pero hizo eso, güey. Tu madre.
Madre. No quiere enseñar su jale, pues, de lo jale.
Sí. Le va a dar para allá para que lo mire. I was gonna break the speed of sound.
Ya.
Mira, se mira bien algón, como ketchup.
Lo mandaron a hacer, ¿cómo se llama?
Un BBL.
Un video.
Está bien con madre el casillo, güey.
Yo sé.
¿A poco también está para acá?
Además que son como...
O es un duplex, ¿no?
Duplex, ya.
Mira ese crece.
¿Verdad? Allá, güey, cállate la boca. Pinche tronadera que tenía.
¿Sí?
Ajá, cuando primero lo caló.
¿Te imaginas cuando le va pisando que se mire de noche las flamas cómo van a salir cuando le suelte?
Tan grandes, güey, como que está el carro allí y salen como por hasta acá.
¿Ah, sí? Ahora como que estás...
Ahora sí
le
saca
ayudó,
el
¿verdad?
carro.
Como está straight by.
Pero sí.
Antes de empezado.
There it is, guys. There it is. Ya lo vieron los boys. Ahora sí, guys, we gotta get ready. We gotta go drop everything off, but that's gonna be on the next video. Guys, make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, like, and everything else. So let's go. Drop everything off at New Mexico Truck Fest.
Yeah, that's me. Who that chillin' at the top? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Yeah, yeah. Tell them, yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm chillin'